Still have a dragonfly in here. Anyway, I'm gonna put the rings on the new piston for the Tecumseh. And these are the new style rings. It has a spiral, I guess it's like a spring. I don't know. But this goes on first. I mean, really, yeah, you hear it? I think it's going crazy. Let's see how it kind of... You kind of have to hold it on both sides. Just trying to see if there's any difference between which side. Let's see. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, that seems to be working right. Now this one, I don't know if, yeah, could show it. This side goes down. This is an oil ring, oil scraper. It has a little dot here. And you see I kind of get the one, really just want the one side in there. It goes on just like that. You see I got it, the ridge on the bottom. And it says in the directions here, there's two different types of rings, with a keystone ring to chamfer on the inner diameter of the ring is towards the top of the piston. If no chamfer is present, the ring has no top or bottom installation position, so you could put it on either way. I think that's done, and you have to position them 180 out from each other. Pretty much is. Try to keep it off of the thrust angle. It would be on this side. And that's pretty much ready to install.